This chapter is about editing skills of shape. Click Fixture. Select Fixtures. Then press Locate to light up fixture. Click Shape. Click on the shape dimmer PWM. Click Editing Skills. What is Wings Groups blocks right here? Click Wings. Let's set to. The fixture becomes mirror symmetrical to run the shape effect. Wings is to adjust the shape effect to mirror symmetry. Let's close this running shape. Click Fixture. Press Clear. Select two rows of fixtures. Press Locate to light up fixtures. Click Shape. Then click on the shape. Dimmer PWM. Click Wings and set to. Fixtures not running mirror symmetric. If we want two rows of fixtures to run in mirror symmetry, click Wings and set 4. Then the fixture starts to run in mirror symmetry. Rule: for one row of fixtures, 1 wing. For 2 rows of fixtures, 2 wings. Click Wings and set 0. Click Groups and set 10 fixtures in a group. Click Advanced Grouping. Fixture sorting is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fixtures are grouped together. All fixtures divided into 2 groups. Click Groups and set 5. Click Advanced Grouping. Fixture sorting is 1 to 3 for 5, 1 to 3 for 5. 5 fixtures are grouped together. All fixtures divided into 4 groups. Groups is how many fixtures are grouped together. Click Groups and set 0. Click Blocks and set 10. Then 10 fixtures will run together. Click Advanced Grouping. Fixture sorting is 10 ones and 10 twos. Blocks is how many fixtures use the same serial number. For example, 10 fixtures are blocked together and use the same serial number. The above content is about shape editing skills. This chapter is about how to move, copy, delete, and store a shape. Click Layout View. Select Fixtures. Press Locate to light up fixtures. Click Shape. Click on the Shape T-circle. Click Group and set 2. Click Editing Effects. Click High Value and set 10. Click Low Value and set -10. How to store this modified shape effect? Press Store button, then click on any blank position. Shape effect stored successfully. Press Clear. Click Layout View and select Fixtures. Press Locate. Click Shape, then click on the shape we just stored. The lighting fixture starts running the shape effect we just stored. How to edit a shape, such as rename? Press Edit button, then click on the shape we need to edit. Click below Name to rename the shape, such as XY tool. After modification, we need to click under Shape Number. Otherwise, we may not find these parameters. Close this interface. How to move a shape? Press Clear. Press Move button. Click on the shape. Then click on the blank position. Successfully move the shape. How to copy a shape? Press Copy button. Then click on the shape. Click on the blank position. Successfully copy the shape. How to delete the shape? Press Delete button. Click on the shape we need to delete. Successfully deleted the shape. If we accidentally delete some built-in shapes, how to recover them? Click Shape Recovery to restore the shapes we just deleted. Click OK. The deleted shapes have been successfully restored. Revert the console's pre-installed shapes to their default configuration. Click Shape Operation. We can import or export shapes. The above content is about how to move, copy, delete, and store a shape.